it's me again. I think I'll do a multi-tool review today. I picked up some of these things. They're like $1. They were on sale for $1 each. I don't normally buy DeWalt grinding discs, but I seriously, at the rate I use these things, I seriously want to buy. I think it's called Bad Dog Tools. They sell a 3-inch, or I don't know if it's a 3-inch or a 4-inch grinding disc, cutoff disc, and I think it's like $200. It's guaranteed for life. And the rate I kill grinding discs, I'm considering trying it and just using it. Apparently it's got a lifetime warranty, but in the meantime, I bought one of these DeWalt discs. I can never remember what size arbor this thing's supposed to have. This is a 3/8 or 7/16. Okay, how the hell is it changed? I guess I can change arbor size, so I bought this one, and I guess this one's, yeah, that's a 1/4 inch. Wait, it says 3/8 or 7/16. 3/8 or 7/16. So I bought the wrong size, because this is, yeah, this is a 1/4 inch arbor, and this is 3/8. So these are DeWalt DW8706s, and then this one's a DeWalt 8708. If you look at that, they were cheap. I bought a bunch of them because it's consumable. They were on sale, and I picked them up. That was just random stuff. If I have an extra $4 or $5 and these are on sale, I'll pick them up, because you can burn through this in like what, minute and a half, gone. Might as well just throw money out the window. That's why that like guaranteed for life one, the amount of money I spent on 4.5-inch flap discs or cutoff discs, I could probably buying one for $200. It's guaranteed for life, and just keep sending it back, is probably worth it. Much like this tool is worth it. The other thing I picked up was a vintage. What vintage is this? This is a 10R Peterson vice grip. How do you know they're vintage? They don't have the little quick release. Pick one up. Why did I buy this? Why? Because I like vice grips. Hello. I bought this one because it was $6. Like, why not, right? I don't have a lot of original Peterson early ones that don't have the little clip here. These are the ones that say, what do you call it? U.S. patent, whatever. U.S. patent 19, number 2, whatever. Something. No, that's not the one. Because one of them says something in 1942. See, there's a little patent thing on there. There's another one that's like made or something in 1942. So I picked one of these up. It's the flat one. I don't buy perfect ones. I don't, but I don't have a lot of these with the thing missing. In fact, I think that maybe it is broken. I don't know. So anyway, I got that. Whoa! The creme de la creme is I found this on my living room floor. Don't ask where it came from. Sure, if you sift through back one of my 10 billion videos, you might be able to find it. I don't know if it's the same. I don't know if it's a vintage. What do you call it? Wrench there for a grinder. I don't know. There's no name on it. It just looks like a piece of metal. Just a standard piece of metal that's, I don't know, is it homemade? Who knows? I did get a really cool other thing, which, what do you call it? It's pretty cool. I like Pexto tools. Anybody knows I like Pexto. I have a Pexto metal shear. I have a Pexto screwdriver and a couple of Pexto hammers or something. And I bought this thing thinking it was a big giant, like, and look at it. It looks like one of those nice big hammers. Not like, they didn't put how many ounces or how many pounds it was. So if you look at it in the photos, it's got a really nice Pexto logo in it. Really nice hammer. But it's so tiny. It's I thought it was gonna be like at least the size of something you could pound on the anvil. Yeah, maybe I could anvil some jewelry with it. But it's in nice shape. See, it's got a there. It's a nice little hammer. It's smooth. Somebody took care of it. But I mean, I don't know. Is it a tack hammer? Is it for gold mining? Like, it makes you wonder. But and also it says Rich Kern on here. If you look on that, there's a name on here. You can see it. It's scribed in it on right on kind of there maybe. And then there's where's the other thing? There's something else buzzed into it somewhere. There's a Y stamped into it, and then there's this little K. There's a K on it. So somebody want to get their hammer stolen. But I mean, look how small it is. So now I know where I get ripped off and buy really nice Pexto hammers. Check to see if it's a 1 pound, a 2 pound, 32 ounce, whatever. Like, I don't know how many. I don't off the top of my head. Most times, I don't remember how many ounces are in a pound. Or is it 16 ounces? 30, I don't know. Like when you're on eBay and you're like, oh look, $5. It's and they show you this nice picture and it looks all big and they don't put a tape measure next to it. You're just like, yeah, fire away, and come back with a hammer a week later. So I got a deal. Cheap little hammer. Other than that, I didn't really buy much. I have if you stay tuned in my videos, I have a couple of what do you call it? Really weird vice grips that I picked up coming. Odd little crazy little things, videos. I might have another. I just go on and I look for. I like collecting crazy vice grips. I know I shouldn't. I wish I was like rich and was monetized and made about $100 a month. I'd buy all those really nice odd ones. If you go on, I went on eBay and it was a really. I don't even know if it was a vice grip. It just said early patent vice grip, and it's got this weird thing. And I'm like, I'm not paying $900 for a pair of locking pliers. I mean, if I win I haven't checked my tickets yet, but if I won the 1 billion New York State lottery, maybe I'd buy a $900 pair of pliers just to see what the hell's so good about it, and then give it away. Because why not? But no, I'm not a billionaire. I'm not a millionaire. I'm a hundredaire this week. I had to go buy some stuff. So, other than that, that's all I got for you tonight. It has been cold out. Actually, it was warm last week when I was lazy and sick. Had gastro and didn't feel like doing anything. And this week it's freezing, so I can't win. I'll be making some more videos this week. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, click some buttons, and tell me you like the videos. Toodles. Thanks for watching.